Radhika Biani. Miss Ekta Kumawat was selected in IIT JAM and Miss Archana Chaudhary was selected in CSIR NET JRF examination. In fact, I would like to add another achievement of our college. We were among the top 4 colleges which were invited by Government of Japan for a program named Genesis 2016. The other colleges which were invited along with us were IIT Chennai, IIT Mumbai, MNIT Jaipur. So it was really a proud moment for Biani Girls College to have been invited for this. And Miss Kanika Joshi, who is assistant professor here, she participated along with Cheshtha and Aishwarya Agrawal in Genesis 2016 program. I think we can all applaud for all of them. This was really a great achievement for the girls here. BGC also makes a global presence through international conferences and international exchange programs. In the same series, 11th India-Japan Bilateral Conference was organized in the month of October from 20th to 22nd of October precisely. Under the student exchange program, students from Japan, Bangladesh, Jakarta, China, Indonesia visited the Biani Girls College. This was a joint initiative of Grameen Communication, Bangladesh and Kyushu University from Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that our national collaborators and recruitment partners are the best of the MNC's companies where 90% of our students are placed and 10% become the entrepreneurs. We organize a lot of cultural programs too. In non-academic achievements too, our college has been ranked among the top colleges of the country. In October 2016, our Dandiya Fest named Rangino Ras was organized in the campus here. In sports arena too, our girls are no less than anyone else. Miss Reena Gujar of BSc second year won the bronze medal in All India Inter-University Chess Tournament organized at Mumbai in October last year, and Miss Pankaj of BSc first year participated in West Zone Inter-University handball tournament in November 2016. Girls, can we clap for Reena and Pankaj please? It was a great achievement for them. Along with the theoretical knowledge, we also gave practical exposure to our students, and in the same series we had sent students to Disha Foundation, to Nahargarh Biological Park and to watch the monsoon session of Vidhan Sabha. Visual arts students were sent to understand the manufacturing and designing of blue pottery. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Feature of our college is newspaper Biani Times, which is now 4 years young, with 30,000 circulation copies per month all across India. And let me tell you, this is developed and designed solely by the students and staff of journalism and mass communication department. I think that needs an applaud. Priyanka Chaturvedi ma'am, you are doing a great job here along with your students. Now, Biani Group of Colleges has decided to rejoice academic freedom in terms of framing its own course curriculum and adopting new innovative methods of teaching and evaluation. It's a matter of pride to announce that our college is going to be autonomous very, very soon. With this, I come to the end of my annual presentation, but this is not the end, it's just the beginning of Biani Group of Institutions. Please continue to support us and be with us always. Thank you.
All the success and help our students to achieve their dreams. Now, Yashu ma'am, be excited. Why, ma'am? Because our next performance is coming to show us another strong woman who is Mary Kom. She's an Olympic Indian player in Manipur. She is a 5-time world boxing champion and the only women boxer to have won medal in each one of the 6 world championships. She is the only Indian women boxer to have qualified for the 2012 Summer Olympics. The reason women don't play boxing is because 9 of them would never wear the same outfit in public.
मैरी कॉम नाम है उस हस्ती का दोस्तों जिसने ये सिद्ध किया कि महिलाएं सिर्फ मॉडलिंग, पॉलिटिक्स, संगीत, कला के क्षेत्र में नहीं बल्कि बॉक्सिंग और वेट लिफ्टिंग में भी महारत हासिल कर सकती हैं, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप और वेट लिफ्टिंग में सफलता के रिकॉर्ड बनाने वाली मैरी कॉम अपने क्षेत्र की महारथी हैं और पद्म भूषण, पद्मश्री, अर्जुन अवार्ड और राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न जैसे अवार्ड लगातार 2001 से 2012 तक जीतकर आदर्श की एक मिसाल उन्होंने हम सब के लिए कायम कर दी। और मैरी कॉम सबसे बस यही कहती हैं, कमजोर दिल है वो जो सहारों की तलाश करते हैं, बैसाखियां कमजोरी की बना के मदद की फरियाद करते हैं। हौसला कम ना होगा तेरा, मेहनत से आगे बढ़ के तो देख, क्योंकि ये दुनिया सलाम उन्हें करती है दोस्तों जो बुलंदियों में अपना नाम लिखा दिया करते हैं।
बिल्कुल सही मैम, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने। On 26 April 2016, she was nominated by President of India as a member of Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament, India. Mary Kom became the first surplus service professional athlete in India in earning endorsement and awards. She is the first athlete to win the Padma Bhushan.
She is the icon of Manipur, which is beautiful northeastern state of India, boasts of a rich culture. The Manipuri style of dance, whether be it folk, classical, modern or devotional, is quite distinct from other Indian dance forms. The people known for their world famous renowned Manipuri style of dance.
So let's try to see the culture of Manipur through the Manipuri dance performance. Please welcome our performers with a huge round of applause.
you so much, girls. It was really lovely performance they have shown to us.